Imagine this. It's January 2026. I'm staring at my phone at 2 a.m., scrolling through everyone else's highlight reels. New jobs, travel pics, ripped physiques. My life? Stuck in the same dead-end routine. Bills piling up, energy tanked, goals collecting dust. I felt like a failure who just couldn't get it together. Then one random Tuesday, something clicked. Not a fancy chorus or guru quote, just a quiet realization that flipped everything. In the next 10 minutes, I'll share the exact mindset shift that pulled me out of that hole and made 2026 my breakout year. I'll tell it as an animated story with simple stick figures so you can see the transformation unfold. If you've ever felt stuck despite trying hard, stick around. This one shift changed everything for me, and it can for you too. Picture a stick figure version of me at the start of 2026, hunched over a desk surrounded by coffee cups and unread notifications, arms heavy, head down, tiny thought bubbles saying, "I'm not good enough, why bother, everyone else is ahead." I was chasing motivation like it was oxygen. I'd start gym routines, side hustles, journaling, full fire for a week, then crash. Blamed myself, lazy, undisciplined, broken. The cycle was brutal. Try hard, burn out, quit, feel worse, repeat. Deep down, I believed success was for other people, the talented, the lucky, the ones born with discipline. My identity? The guy who starts but never finishes. One night, exhausted from another failed streak, I sat on the floor staring at a blank wall. No fancy music, just silence. Then this thought hit. What if the problem isn't my effort? It's who I think I am. I realized I was operating from a fixed identity. I'm someone who struggles. Every action reinforced that story. But what if I flipped it? What if I started acting like the version of me who already had the life I wanted? Not fake it till you make it, be it till you become it. The shift? Stop chasing habits, start becoming the person who naturally does them. Identity first, behavior second. Let me show you how this played out, step by step, with the stick figure evolving. First week, instead of "I need to force myself to work out," I asked, what would a disciplined person do right now? The answer, put on shoes and walk for 5 minutes. No pressure for perfection, just one small vote for the new identity. Stick figure starts tiny, shoes on, door open, short walk. Thought bubble, I'm the kind of person who shows up. Next, nutrition. Not I have to eat clean forever, but a healthy person chooses real food most days. So swap one junk meal for something nourishing. Small win, identity reinforced. Productivity. A focused person starts with the hardest task first. No more endless scrolling. Open laptop, do one deep work block. Each time, the stick figure stands taller, glows a bit brighter. Social media comparison shifted to I'm on my own timeline. Unfollow triggers, follow inspiration. Stick figure turns away from shiny screens, looks forward at his own path. The magic? These weren't forced habits. They felt natural because they aligned with who I was deciding to be. James Clear calls it identity-based habits. Every action votes for the person you claim to be. By month 3, the old me was fading. The stick figure now walks with purpose, muscles defined from consistent movement, notebook full of progress, smile genuine. No more trying, just being. Fast forward to mid-2026, I hit goals I thought impossible. Side income doubled, energy steady, relationships deeper. Not because I became superhuman, because I stopped fighting myself. When setbacks hit, they always do. The old voice whispered, "See, you're still a failure." But the new identity answered, "No, I'm someone who learns and keeps going." One bad day didn't break the chain, it became data. This shift turned motivation from fleeting to unnecessary. Discipline wasn't a battle, it was alignment. So here's the mindset shift that changed my life in 2026. Stop asking, how do I get better? Start asking, who do I need to become? Then act like that person today in tiny ways. Your identity isn't fixed, it's shaped by what you do repeatedly. Choose the version of you that already has what you want and let your actions catch up. Right now, pause this video. Ask yourself, What would the successful version of me do in the next 10 minutes? Do that one thing. If this story hit home, drop a like, subscribe for more stick figure animated stories, and comment below what's one small action the future you would take today. Share this with someone stuck in their own loop. They might need this shift too. 2026 isn't over. Your transformation starts the second you decide who you're becoming. You've got this. See you in the next one.